Welcome to Fizzy Pop Stories.
Yay, so exciting!
Let's go explore.
Adventure time!
Let's jump into a magical adventure.
The Tortoise and the Birds.
Once upon a time, there was a tortoise who loved to talk. He talked in the morning, in the afternoon, and even at night.
I just love to talk.
A little too much, maybe.
Yeah, you don't listen to us.
One year, there was very little food in the land. Birds decided to fly to a faraway place where there was plenty to eat. I want to go with you. Then come along, little friend.
Let's fly!
Please take me with you.
But you cannot fly.
I have an idea. He asked the birds to bring a strong stick.
Ready?
Let's go!
Have fun.
We will!
This way, the birds could carry him through the sky. But remember, you must not open your mouth. If you do, you will fall. I promise to stay quiet. So the birds flew high into the sky, carrying the tortoise between them. The people on the ground looked up in surprise. The tortoise felt very proud. He wanted everyone to know that the idea was his. So he opened his mouth to say, "It was my idea!" But before he could finish, he let go of the stick. Down, down, down he fell from the sky. He crashed to the ground with a big thud. From that day on, his shell was cracked and rough. This is it, the big day!
Yes! Let's go!
Patience, my friends, we will get there. Think before you speak. Too much talking can lead to trouble. And so, the tortoise learned an important lesson. Sometimes staying silent is wiser than speaking.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.